Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to use an extended form in Google Forms. Google Forms does not have a feature officially called an extended form. However, the term is often used to describe forms that are longer, more detailed, and broken into sections for a better user experience. To create an extended form, start by opening Google Forms. Create a new form and add your questions as usual. As you can see, I have already added some questions here. Click on the form and you will see an option called Add Section. Click on it and as you can see, a new section will be added. You can give the section a title if needed. Similarly, go back up, click on the form again, and add another section. Do the same for the rest of your questions. You can also review the form and enable the progress bar option from the settings menu. This allows respondents to see how much of the form they have completed, which is useful for longer or extended forms. By combining sections, required questions, and clear titles, you can effectively create an extended style form. This works even though there is no separate extended form mode. And that's it. We just learned what an extended form means in Google Forms. We also learned how to create longer, well-structured forms using sections and progress indicators. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.